So, in the last clip, we saw that Miranda had come to this island long back when she was very young, and she didn't even remember anything, and she didn't even see anyone other than her father in that island, or any human beings, or any activities like. Now, this Miranda, the daughter of Prospero, she had been away from the palace where she has to be, as she is a prince, a daughter of a princess, the daughter of a king. She is supposed to be in the palace, but why she and her father, being a king and a princess, are here in the island all alone for years together? A king is supposed to be in a royal place. Can you see the picture here? But then he was there in an island where no living beings are there. This is the beginning of the story. Now, the king had a helper called Ariel the Spirit, the good one. So he used to get all the works done by him. And with his help, the king commanded the winds and the waves of the sea. And by his order, a violent storm in the midst of the sea had been raised. And he showed to his daughter, he showed the ship and said, "My dear Miranda, can you see the ship in the sea? There are many living beings like us inside the ship." And when she heard this, she was worried, and she told her father, "Oh father, be graceful, and if it is your work of letting the storm and wind, then please stop it. Let it not harm the living beings in there." So his father said, "Do not worry, they all are safe." And he also said that the ship will not get hurt, nor the people inside it. And he had told him the story of her past, that why he had done this. So now so long years, the king was also in a temptation. He was in the temptation of an revenge. Now, he wanted to teach lesson to someone because of whom he is here in this island with his only daughter. You can see the heading, "The king was driven by his brother." So, his enemy was his only brother. Now, 12 years back, Miranda and Prospero were put into a boat and were sent out of their palace. Why? Because Prospero's brother Antonio was jealous. Why was he jealous? Actually, he wanted his brother's place. His brother Prospero was very much interested with the spirit works. He used to follow one of a witch called Sycorax. She had many good spirits, and this fellow used to release these good spirits, and the Prospero, and he was very much interested in these works. So all the spirits, good spirits, were obedient to Prospero too, because he released them from Sycorax. And since he was interested in this work, he did not wanted to pay attention in his kingdom, so he asked his brother in his absence to take care of the kingdom. But his brother, he wanted to take care of the kingdom with the whole right as a king, not as a brother of the king. So illegally, that's what do you remember we saw in the third clip? Usurping. Okay, that means to take someone's power illegally. Okay, so illegally he wanted to take the power as a king. So what he did, he just told them that we will go somewhere. They all went in the boat, and then after some time, what he did, he just pushed him back to. They all went in a ship. After some distance, when they were Antonio, what he did, he just carried them and boarded him into a ship and left him out in the sea all alone with her small daughter in a small boat. And then what happened when the servant, that is Gonzalo, the counselor of Prospero, when he saw that this thing has been done to him, he has been cheated, his brother has done wrong to him, what he did, since he was a good counselor, a good servant to Prospero, he took all the eatables and clothing and what all he can provide to them, kept it, boarded it in the boat, in that small boat. He kept it there, and he too came back with the brother of the king into the ship and to the palace. And Prospero and his daughter Miranda were left alone in a small boat, and they just moved on wherever the sea took them. So, now this girl, Miranda, she thinks that she has been a very big trouble for her father, because a father to bring up a small girl all alone is very difficult. But then he said, no, don't worry. And he said, we had the foods and all with us, so it was there till we reached the desert island, so had no problem. Now, she says, tell me, sir, your reason for raising the sea storm. So, she asked her father, now since you had told me the story, now tell me, what is the link between the story and the storm? Okay, fine, your brother had driven us out, we were all alone, we came here and everything, but why the storm? What is the link between both of this, our past and the storm? So when she asks this, we can go for, she asks this, the king says, we'll see it in the next slide. Now here in this slide, can you see, they both in a small boat and have reached the desert island. So again, the king Prospero, his daughter Miranda, his brother Antonio. Why did Antonio betray his brother? Because he wanted to be a king. Why King Prospero did not pay attention to his kingdom? Because he was much more interested in the work with the spirits. Do we also do these kind of things, children? Yes. Whatever responsibility is given to us, we are not interested in that. Rather, we are interested in something else. So it tempts us, yes, the temptation. The temptation. Being a king, he was tempted to work with the spirit. Can you see the temptation to the king there? You and I are also today in the same way. Today we have been asked to study, but instead of studying, we just keep on playing, or we just keep on seeing any other sites in the phone or in the laptop or even your desktop or your tab, whatever you have in your hand. To be true, how many of you are sincere in your studies? Even if when we have school time, your parents ask us to study, we just open our books and our concentration is somewhere else. Instead of studying, you will say, no, I want to do this thing, I want to do that thing, I don't want to study, I would better go and do that work, I would better go and play, I would better go and become an engineer, I would better go and have a shop, whatever, No, do not get tempted. Do not get twisted from your path. If you would do that, there will be some Antonio around you to grab it illegally, and then you will have to be here all alone in a desert island. Now, when Prospero told that it was you, the sweet angel, because of whom I could bear anything, and the food, everything was lasted till we reached this desert island, she was thankful. She said, "Oh, my dear father, thank you so much." And then she asked for the reason. What is the reason behind raising the sea storm? So then her father told him that the king of Naples and his brother had cast them ashore in this land. Okay, now cast them ashore in this land. It was they both who sent them away from the palace to this island, and that's what. And that's the reason. These people are there in the ship. They are here in the ship. They are coming here to this island, and that's the reason I send this storm and these waves here, he said, in the sea. And so, as they both were busy talking, discussing these things, Prospero touched his daughter with the wind that he had in his hand, with the magic wand. Why? Why did he do so? It was because he had seen Ariel coming towards him. Now, this Ariel was a good spirit who was the good servant of King Prospero. He could be seen only by King Prospero. He could be seen only by Prospero. Miranda cannot see her, but she could hear. And that was the reason that Prospero did not want his daughter, to listen to the conversation, and so he touched her with the magic wand and made her fast asleep. And now Prospero asked him, "Now come on, give me the account of the tempest." So he is asking, this is the temptation for his brother and the king of Naples. See how many temptations we can find in this lesson. All are filled with temptation. Not even a person is there left out. King is tempted to teach them a lesson. Miranda is tempted. In future we can see that. And now his brother and the king are being tempted. Why? Why they are tempted? In the ship, in the middle of the sea with the storm? For the wrong they had done to king long back. Okay? So, they have been tempted. How they are tempted? They are stuck up in such a situation that they want to come out, but they are not able to come out. They want to sail peacefully, they are not able to sail peacefully. We can see ahead. Come on, let's see. Page number 22. And king wanted to know how did he, dispose the ship dispose means to throw away. How did he throw away the ship and everything he wanted to know. So the spirit told to Prospero that he had performed the task very well. And how was that? Now he gave a very good description about the storm and also about the terrors of the mariners and how the king's son Ferdinand. Now here again I want to remind you, Ferdinand is the son of the king of Naples. Okay, so now what is the sorry son of the king of Naples? He is the young prince. So he has been now what, when the storm came, the waves and the storm had come, the king and all over there, they thought that this Ferdinand had been swallowed by the waves. When the waves come, it had drowned him and took him back to the sea, and they have lost him. That is what they thought. See, in this paragraph you can find out, in a corner of the isle. The meaning of isle is island. Sadly lamenting. What do you mean by lamenting? Lamenting is grieving, grief, to show your sadness, to cry. Okay, when you lose someone, you cry. When you lose anything, you grieve. Oh, I lost it, that grief. So, just if you can write it down with your pencil in your books to know the meaning whenever you open your book. So his father and everyone were what they were doing. They were grieving because they thought that he has been taken by the waves of the sea in the storm and they have lost him. And then this Prospero was very much happy. He was very happy to know that the things has been done well. Then he told that bring this Ferdinand here to me so that my daughter can see that young prince. He wanted Miranda to see that prince. Now see, can you see how King Prospero is trying to teach a lesson to the king and to his brother. This is how he is going to teach the lesson, through his daughter and his son. So he said, the spirit Ariel said that I left them, and and the king is asking, where is my brother and where is the king? Where are they? Are they safe? Or where are they? Where have you kept them? What have you done with them? So Ariel is saying, no, I have left them to search Ferdinand, and by crying, see, even if you know he has been lost, definitely you will search, no? You will search where they are. Can you find them? They would have been searching. If the waves had been taken, where is he? Can we find his body? If we can find the body floating, we can at least take the body. And also they were searching and grieving in the loss of his son Ferdinand. So that is what Ariel told King Prospero. And then Ariel also said that the ship has been sent to the harbor. It is safe over there, but it is invisible. And each and everyone in the ship, they think that all have died, but only I have left all alone, because all are invisible to each other. Now then, Ariel goes to get Ferdinand back to the island where Prospero and Miranda is.